Happy June, superstars. This is Magi Helena. Here's the astrological forecast for June 2019, including Father's Day weekend in all 6 astrology dimensions. I'm the only woman and one of only 2 certified level 4 Magi astrologers, the highest level, and I've helped thousands of people across the U.S. and in 40 countries around the world to understand how to use star timing to achieve their dreams. Please take a second before we start and subscribe right here on YouTube and click the bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos drop. June 2019 is a pretty good month. If you want to rock this June, please write "Rock June" in the comments below. June's first run of worst days has Sun synced with Lilith, Ceres, Saturn, Uranus, Vesta, and the Saturn, Pluto, and Saturn, Uranus midpoints in Zodiac 7. Unfortunately, this run of days includes Father's Day weekend, so you may need to make an extra effort to keep feathers unruffled and watch out for out-of-the-blue disagreements. During that same time, Earth is in a wedge with Sedna and the Saturn Chiron Heartbreak midpoint, and also a yod with Sedna and Lilith in Helio 12, and in geometry with Pallas and the Saturn Neptune midpoint in Helio 7. In the second run of worst days for June, Sun is square Chiron and the Saturn-Venus midpoint in Zodiac 12. In Helio 12, Earth is conjunct and opposite the Saturn-Jupiter nuclear midpoint and in a yod with Venus and Pallas. And the Saturn-Venus midpoint is on a collision course with Earth in the Helio latitudes. The best June days are in 3 runs of good days. The first run of best days in June has Sun contra parallel Jupiter and in a grand trine with the Jupiter-Chiron midpoint and Pallas. In Helio, the Earth is trine Vesta and the Venus-Chiron midpoint. The second run of best days has Sun, Midas, Saturn, Mars, Jupiter, Fortress in Geo, partly synced with Pluto, and Sun is parallel, contraparallel, Jupiter, Mars, and Pallas. In Helio, Earth conjunct Jupiter is in a wedge with Midas and Pluto. In the third run of best days, Sun is still parallel Mars and Pallas and contraparallel Jupiter in the geodecs. In Zodiac 7, Sun is in powerful multi-planet geometry, including 2 fortresses and a symmetrical triangle with Neptune, Uranus, the Venus-Chiron midpoint, Ceres, Pallas, and Pluto. I hope this video helps you plan your June. If you like this video, please click like. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it. Don't forget, subscribe here on YouTube for more astrology videos, and please come visit me on MagiHelena.com for how to understand and use your personal best and worst timing, pop culture blogs, astrology lessons, self-empowerment info, and more. May your June be filled with sunshine.